At Best Interlocks, Best Labs Incorporated, we have the best rates, the best devices, and the best customer service. Best Interlocks is committed to promoting safety for the community and convenience for our clients. We offer an all-inclusive guaranteed pricing plan with no hidden fees. Our pricing plan includes installation, calibration, removal, lockout codes, service codes, insurance, and taxes, all covered by a one-time payment. We are the only company in the industry that does not charge lockout or violation codes, providing our clients with peace of mind and saving them money. Best Interlock has the quickest device in California with a 2-second straight blow test. Our device is designed to work flawlessly, reducing the risk of false positives or lockouts. In contrast, other companies charge $70 to $85 every time there is a lockout, in addition to making you go in to get calibrated again, which is another $30. We are committed to transparency in all our dealings and believe in being upfront with our pricing and services.